I'm here to tell you about 3 perks of working with a virtual event production agency. But first, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Georgie-Ann, and I am the CEO and founder of GSD Solutions. GSD Solutions is a business development agency that specializes in digital adoption. What that means is that we help companies small and large figure out the best and most innovative tools to grow their business in the digital ecosystem. And the primary way we've done that over the last 2 years is through virtual event production. So now let's dive in. You know I'm an expert, now let's talk about it. The 3 perks of working with a virtual event production agency is first, the peace of mind afforded to you. We all know that at any type of event, something is gonna go wrong. And if you don't know this, that's probably because you've never worked on an event production team. If it's not the technology, it's some type of login issue, it's a speaker backs out, someone gets sick. So many different things can happen at a live as well as a virtual event. But the key to making an event successful is having a dedicated team there to put out whatever fires that will arise, because they will definitely arise and you have to know what to do. And if you are producing, planning, leading, hosting, and holding all these many hats during the event, guess what? You're not going to be able to put out the fires to the best of your ability. So working with a virtual event production agency like GSD Solutions allows you to have that peace of mind knowing that you can lead your event while we handle all the fires and all the craziness that comes up. The second perk of working with a virtual event production agency is the ability to try before you buy. Dozens of platforms out there have referral, partnerships, and agency programs that allow agencies to kind of get a wholesale offer when it comes to using these platforms. So we have packages that comes with all the bells and whistles, all the different features that may be in the highest price packages that the platform offers, and we are allowed to sub-license that tool to our clients. Let me break that down a little bit. So if a platform costs $10,000 or $15,000, we are able to offer that same platform, all the bells and whistles, to our clients for a fraction of that price. With this option, our customers are then able to try a platform out, figure out if they like it while getting all the tech support that we offer, all the planning and production support that we offer. And then if they love this platform, they can then later make a full-time investment into bringing this platform onto their company or the tech stack their company uses. And the third perk of using a virtual event production agency is that as a virtual event production agency, our job is to continuously, day by day, learn about the most innovative hardware and software solutions for virtual events. And that's exactly what we do here at GSD Solutions. Every day, our team is scouring the web to figure out what's new, how does it work, and how can we make this accessible to our clients and our customers. So we want to make sure that you're top of your game with the most innovative solutions. You are able to test out and try the different platforms before you make a full-time investment, and you have that peace of mind security. So what are you waiting for? You know all the perks. So head on over to gsdsolutionsinc.com today and book a consultation with us. This 30-minute free consultation allows you to see how we work and how we can be of service to your business. I look forward to seeing you book that consultation. Catch you in the next video.